Hey everyone, welcome back to StockWisp, your go-to channel for smart investing insights. Today we're diving deep into the top 7 dividend stocks in 2025 that you absolutely cannot ignore. These picks are high yield, safe, and perfect for building long-term wealth. Before we reveal the stocks, let's talk about the current U.S. market conditions. Inflation is moderating. Interest rates are fluctuating, and investors are increasingly looking for stable income sources. Dividend stocks are shining in this environment because they provide consistent payouts even when the market is volatile. We selected these stocks based on 5 key factors. Dividend yield, above the S&P 500 average of 2.3%. Dividend growth, long track record of increasing dividends. Payout ratio, sustainable payout supporting consistent dividends. Financial health, strong balance sheets and cash flows. Valuation, fairly priced relative to earnings. Stock 1, Chevron CVX. Chevron is a powerhouse in energy, offering a 3.8% dividend yield. Its diversified operations make it resilient even when oil prices fluctuate. Stock 2, Procter Gamble, PG. P&G has increased dividends for over 60 years. Its essential consumer products ensure stable cash flow, making it a reliable dividend stock. Stock 3, IBM. IBM now focuses on cloud computing and AI. It offers a 5.2% dividend yield, combining growth potential with strong income. Stock 4, Enbridge ENB. Enbridge has 5.7% dividend yield. Its infrastructure is fee-based and inflation-linked, providing predictable cash flows. Stock 5, Realty Income, known as the monthly dividend company. Realty Income pays dividends monthly with a 4.5% yield, backed by commercial properties. Stock 6, PepsiCo Pep. PepsiCo offers 2.8% yield with stable earnings from its global brand portfolio, making it a defensive dividend stock. Stock 7, Johnson & Johnson, J&J. Johnson & Johnson has diversified healthcare products and a 2.6% dividend yield. It's ideal for long. While these stocks are strong, always consider portfolio diversification. Combine dividend stocks with other assets to reduce risk. Track financial health and payout sustainability and adjust according to market trends. That's it for today's top 7 dividend stocks in 2025. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more investing insights. Comment below your favorite dividend stock or any questions you have. I'll respond.